Hello friends, welcome to True Home Recipes. Today we are going to make Oreo muffins, which turns out to be very tasty and it's loved by all the kids. The best thing about this is it's made of only 3 ingredients and very quickly made. So let's get started. For this I'm using 1 packet of Oreo cream biscuits. I'm using chocolate cream biscuits here. You can also use the white cream ones. I'm also using some choco chip biscuits along with them. Crumble them roughly so that it helps to make a fine powder in the blender. Put them into the blender and make a fine powder. The powder is ready. See, make sure that it is completely crushed. Now transfer it to a mixing bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix it. Now add 1 cup of warm milk. Give it a nice mix. Make a smooth batter out of it. The consistency should not be too thick and neither it should be into a flowing consistency. Just 3 ingredients and the batter is done. So we'll now start pouring it to the cupcake molds. I'm also adding a few crumbled Oreo biscuits. It gives a nice crunch to the muffins. You can add few sprinklers to it if your kids love to. My son likes to eat with sprinklers, so I'm using this. The muffins are now ready to go for baking. I have preheated my oven. We'll place the muffins into the oven. We'll bake it at 180 degrees for 15 minutes. The muffins are done. Let's take them out from the oven. It smells divine. Let them cool for 5 to 10 minutes and then you do the plating. I'm sure even your kids would love to eat the muffins, and that too if they are made of chocolate. It's kids' favorite. My son likes to eat it with a drizzle of chocolate syrup on it. You can also use this if your kids love to eat. So friends, please do try this recipe at home. I'm sure your kids will love this recipe, and please do let me know how it has turned out to be. If you have liked this recipe, please give a big thumbs up to it and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching.